Hi everyone, welcome to the demo of our new Dynamics NAV feature, Mandatory Fields for NAV 2016 and NAV 2017. At nav-apps.com we only provide zero footprint NAV enhancements. This means that none of our products touches the Seaside standard objects whatsoever. As many of you know, there is no way to provide strict mandatory fields in NAV, a requirement however many if not all NAV clients keep asking for. What you can do in standard NAV is to indicate what fields should be populated, showing the red asterisk, for example on the name field. Unfortunately, that needs to be done on the page object, meaning that every master data card will be modified, what leads to increased merge effort and cost during future updates. Here is how our mandatory fields feature can help. It can set the page property without modifying the standard Seaside page object and verifies no mandatory fields is unpopulated when releasing the record for production. All you need to do is setting up mandatory fields in a table, and with one single click the standard visualization of mandatory fields is implemented. To be sure, the new master data record cannot be used until all mandatory fields have been populated. You can specify a field, typically the block field, that would release the record and trigger the check on all mandatory fields. Here you see a mandatory field group that can hold sets of mandatory fields. To showcase this, let's specify city and postcode as new mandatory fields for the vendor card. We pick city and postcode from the list and hit the button to insert red asterisk. Now let's check the vendor card. If I create a new record, city and postcode are now as well indicated. Let's pick another one. In this case, field 86, that registration number. I can also implement this only on the vendor card. And if I create a new record, the red registration number is then indicated as well. And by the way, the blocked field is defaulted to all, and by unblocking the new record, the check on mandatory field is triggered. If you are interested in applying this feature to your NAV 2016 or NAV 2017 installation, just visit our website on www.nav-apps.com.